Time flies fast for those who rejoice. If you keep yourself busy, you would not realize how soon you would be ready from the orientation to the convocation. We are learn and relearn. Make the most of the 2 or 3 years you are in the institution.
Once you have taken admission in a university, your freedom, the degree of freedom which you enjoy increases as compared to your school or when you were in an undergraduate program for postgraduate students. But at the same time, it comes with added responsibility. Added responsibility to the extent that now there is no more spoon feeding. You are responsible to learn. You are responsible to gain knowledge.
That is, construction project management is accredited by RICS UK for 5 years up to 2024. So what it tells that the students who are going to take admission up to 2024, their programs are accredited, and then again we have to go for another type of validation after 2024 just to see that whether we are offering similar type of rigor that is required.
Pictures of labor exodus, migrant labor movement, which has created a huge problem for the construction industry, which is where, while we had been shouting at the top of our voice, now there is a consideration wherein people want to basically create a habitable environment for the labor. There has been consolidation in the industry, and I believe it will continue to happen. The supply chain was affected significantly, which has had an impact on MSME, which is where you see the government trying to do a lot with the MSMEs at this moment. And then insolvencies have been creeping up because of multiple reasons. There has been degenerating demand, but let me tell you guys, in the last 20 days to a month, there has been enough activity in the real estate sector, which suggests that the real estate transactions are coming back into the picture, and the customer sentiments are going up.
Not how we've been usually having our orientation in the past. They have been primarily on the campus, face to face, with a lot of informative, knowledge sharing and fun-filled sessions which were built into it. However, this year, due to unprecedented situation created by COVID-19, we had to shift all these activities on virtual mode. All of us wish we could be starting this academic year on a beautiful campus, and I understand how disappointing it is to be starting the year off remotely. But nevertheless, the team has put in a great effort to make the whole virtual induction experience as close as possible to the on-campus face-to-face one, and I'm sure that all of you.
To talk about RICS SB, the entire journey for me was nothing short of it was just amazing to be a part of the organization, because it was like a college that you dream of. Obviously, your engineering college is something like it's more of academics, but here it's very different. With academics, you also develop professionally and personally.
One thing which I found interesting about RICS SB, or my life at RICS SB, is that I could meet many people from different parts of the country, and this combined with the group assignments, extracurricular activities, this kind of helped us in developing ourselves, the people skills, which is very particularly important in.
ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, हमने भी तेरे हर एक गम को गले से लगाया है ना.
Signs, seek it out and ye shall find. Old, but I'm not that old. Young, but I'm not that bold. And I don't think the world is sold. I'm just doing what we're told. I feel something so right, doing the wrong thing.
Is that Amol sir sketch?
नंदिनी नंदित मेधिनी विश्व विनोदिनी नंद I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet, and I never knew